Oh, that's right, you guys. I had one more video thing to show you. So, when I originally got this car, the fan shroud, as you can see, it's cracked. This actually was brittle when I got it back. You can see here the like the mount thing here broke due to just brittle old plastic. A really strange colored Pontiac GTO just drove by, a really weird aqua color, turquoise kind of looking thing, like an '04 or something like that. Looked pretty cool. Sounded great. Just drove by. But you can see this broke, and then I was like, what the hell? I'm gonna see if I can 3D print my own little mount for this. And I heard that, PLA is probably not the best for, car parts, especially when it's hot out. And obviously I'm using this as a radiator mount thing here, but you can kind of see it kind of stretched out a little bit here. I made another one for this side too. Let's see how this one's holding up. Let's see. This one's stretched quite a bit. You can see that hole there is kind of oblong, and this hole up on top here is kind of having some bad times. But the fan here still spins freely, so it's not interfering. Oh, I might have to reprint that one. That's looking pretty rough. That looks pretty loose. Not getting as good of a seal on the radiator as I probably should. Howdy hell. But yeah, you can see, I mean, it's been in here over a year now. So I did this last year, I think, or maybe even before that. I'm not sure. But yeah, that one might have to be reprinted because, like I said, you can kind of see how the hole is kind of dangling. Look at that. It's kind of like a weird shape there now. Oblonged. So the heat definitely affected that one more. Maybe I'd have to redesign that one a little bit. I don't know. That's all I got for this video. Kind of cool. Kind of works. There it is.